Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start. We've checked all of our functions. I made an adjustment on our P11 and I've increased it now from 3 seconds to 4 seconds to see if we can go ahead and bring down the amount of oxygen that's been left in these cups. So we'll go through. You can hear the gas right now is flushing out it's removing the oxygen. Okay. Okay, now this is absolutely amazing that you can take an inexpensive machine like this, a gas flush machine, and get almost zero oxygen. O2 is oxygen, and CO2 is the preservative, the gas that we're using to fill that head space. So we're removing the O2, the oxygen, because CO2 is heavier than what oxygen is. So because it's heavier, it fills that head space and it actually pushes that oxygen out. So we have a 0.1 O2, which is oxygen, and we have a 40.9% CO2. Okay, so if you had one of these meters and you're doing your test before you would send it to your food scientist, you would say, I think this particular tank is 80-20. So 80 N, 20 CO2, and then you could show the reading, okay, 0.1, blah, blah, blah. And you could put that and then send that to your food scientist, and then they would be able to give you your self-stabilization. If you also notice, whenever we make these, I always suggest that you put a tab, what we call a tab pull. So when you're talking to your salesman, make sure that you ask them to include a tab pull. That's up inside the head. When our engineers are cutting out our tooling, then they'll make a little section there for a tab, and that makes it easy for your customers to be able to pull the product. That beeping noise that you hear, what that's doing is it's signaling to you to tell you that the tray is open. It's gone through the process and the tray is open.